Alright, we got the headliner dropped. We did the rivets on the rear because it was just a lot easier just do it on the rear. I took the front part, I had to re-rivet the front, but it was a lot easier just unrivet the rear, and it has 3 rivets on each end. Let's see if I can point them out to you. 3 rivets, 1 here, and then 2 here. 1, 2. Oh, this one right there. Let's see, there it is. I put the 1 rivet in right now just so we can hold it together, so I can have the plug it in and have the electric motor, which is back there. If you look underneath, that's where the motor is. We have it plugged in so it would slide up and down and adjust your tracks. These are the new tracks. The roller goes on the outside back here, but once it goes forward, it goes down and in underneath up there. And you can see how I got it. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's how I got it connected there. And then come around here, and as you can see, oops, nope. But as you can see, not really that well. That's the new stuff. Alright. I unriveted the front half, and it was just a lot easier to just go through the rear, so I won't say do that again. So I have to re-rivet that. So it looks kind of funny without the front half. But yep. And then this right here, that's the overhead computer. What you do is you pull down this side. So you pull this down, it pops open, and then on the top you can see where they're the little slots. So then this slides forward and pops right off. You unplug that and you're good to go there. Don't forget those tubes. You got 4 of them, 1 in each corner. Let's see, right there, and then 2 in the back as well. You're gonna have to take all the pillars off, all the visors, the little connectors here for the visor, the little handle right here, those unscrew, and then you have to pop those off. That's what they connect to. They just sit there, they don't actually connect to this, but the screw, it does screw into there. And then these things here, these pillars, they pop off. You take the little plastic piece off, you take the plastic piece off of the seat belt, which you can see, take it off, and that's what's underneath it. The way to take it off is, see, where's that little cover? Oh, can't find the cover right now. Oh wait, here it is. That's the cover right there. So what you do is you take a screwdriver from behind, pop it off. They're little tabs. If you look back here, see those little tabs, you pop those off and it comes right off. And then you take all the speaker covers, the other pillars back here off, and drop the whole headliner down like that. It's easier if you have 2 people helping you to get the old one out. Then it's bolted up. This thing here is bolted up. There's a bolt there, bolt hole there, and another bolt hole way down there. So I believe there's 3. It's 3 bolts on the sides and 2 bolts in the front. But that's how you get to. That's how you get to it. And everything works. Everything's connected. But everything works. Does the job. I just need to lube it up a little bit more because it's a little tight. But it's just a little tight. The motor doesn't like it. It's just too tight. It'll go back no problem, but forward it's a little tight. So we'll fix that. Get those tracks greased more. They were greased, but I think I need to grease them a little bit more. Oh, you can't. Yeah, that's not the track. Track is on the other side. But I'll grease those a little bit more so it'll go back and forth a little bit easier. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, more than welcome to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and we'll get you some more videos going on. I got a couple of little cars in here in the shop that, you know, working on. Got a couple cars over there, little red Mustangs, turbocharged. This one here supercharged, and that little thing's battery charged. But yeah, and then this little one right here, this one is just naturally aspirated, but we got some Ford racing heads for it, so we're gonna do that. Gotta get this shop cleaned up. It's kind of really messy, and I don't like that. But yeah, if you guys had any more questions, just like I said, hit up in the comments. This is a little PT Cruiser. This is a 03, but it looks like you can do this all the way up to, I believe, 09 or so. But anyways,